Welcome. In front of me I have the Ledger Nano X, and today I will show you how to add the Ethereum account to it. So you will need you'll need to have the application, a Ledger Live, either on your computer or on the phone. I have it on my phone, that's kind of why it's here. So from there, simply open it up and just get rid of this. And if you have never used this before for some reason, you will need to go through an initial setup of it, so you can connect those two and you can actually find your ledger right here. Otherwise it won't be visible, so you can't install the wallet. But simply go through the setup and you should be good to go. So from here, you want to select your ledger. Now it's going through Bluetooth, but it's painfully slow. Once it actually loads it up, you can see everything that you have on here. So we have the installed wallets, how much space we have left over. Additionally, you can go into installed apps and remove some of them if you're out of storage. Because even though this device is the size of a chunky USB drive, it has only 1.8 megabytes in storage, which is kind of pathetic. But anyway, so from here we're going with the Ethereum, obviously. So Ethereum is one of those currencies that is right at the top, as you can see, along with the Bitcoin. All you need to do is select install. Now again, just because it's going through Bluetooth, and even though it's only 76 kilobytes, this will take probably about half a minute. And additionally, while this is installing, I'm going to quickly mention that we are only installing the wallet itself to the device right now. Behind that wallet there is no wallet address yet, so that is another step that you need to go by going into the accounts and adding one for the Ethereum. I will show that in the next video. Here I'm just kind of showing you how to manage and add the Ethereum account or wallet to the actual ledger. And there we go. Now whenever you install it, it automatically gives you the pop-up right here, so you can add the account right away by just clicking right here. And it's fairly simple. You go into here and select Ethereum and select your ledger. Now it gives you a pop-up right here, so you need to press the two buttons to actually open up the app or confirm opening an app. And then it will go through another painfully long connection to the wallet on the ledger. And as you can see, it's right here. Now there is also a chance, at least that's how it kind of was with Bitcoin, where it will show you the Bitcoin wallet right here, but it's still synchronizing. So without you actually waiting for the connect button to show up, if you leave this app, it actually won't create the wallet. So you kind of need to wait for continue and then press on it, and there you go. You now created your actual wallet. And you can tap on it, select for instance receive right here, and go to continue without my device, which will just show you the wallet address along with the QR code, so you can quickly scan it, send, receive, or primarily probably receive on this your cryptocurrency. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.